third one, write a Python program to convert a string to datetime. Okay, it's a given simple sample string. We have to convert this into date and time like this one, 2024 714 243 like that one. Okay, so we have to convert this one into using string ptime function. We can method function. You can do it here. Simple one. Just check this one. Method here, string ptime method is it. So it takes a date string and format as an input and returns date and time. Okay, format. Okay, it takes the string and returns in date time format here. So we have to import from this data module here. Check here, string here, date here, and we are here the string here. We are converting it into the date and time format. Okay, so here percentage b means month as month. Okay, percentage b means month as month, and percentage d means day of the month, and percentage y means year. Okay, year with the century name like 001 009 2000 and like that, and percentage m means minute. Okay, percentage m means minute, and percentage I means hour here. Percentage I means hour, percentage m minute, and p is am or pm. Okay, these are the format codes. Okay, string format codes used for the string f time method. Okay, used in string format time method here. Okay, so these are, you have to remember these ones and format, and the question is converting the string into datetime format. Further you have to import this one. Okay, just check the output here. Okay, see, so input is this one, and you are converting to this one. Okay, 2004 1 14 that is 1. Okay, so pm means here percentage p, 43 means month, 2 means hour, 24 year, 1 means d percentage January. Okay, b. Okay, and converting it to this one. Okay, date time. Okay, this is a string and converting into date here. Okay,